Bruh, get me in the TikTok. My name is Clara Jane in TikTok. Bruh, I have a TikTok. Don't use it. Please. Please guys, don't use my TikTok.
Pag may nagsabi sa comment ko na I hate vegans, inanuhin ko.
I will kill them.
Do you love vegans?
Yeah. I even kill somebody. When I was a bata. I was like, oh my god, what is this? Is this a knife? I was like,
Someone told me the girl has Roblox and I said, Roblox, and I said her, hey, Blondie siya.
what?
Tsaka nagsabi,
Ipo-post ko to sa YouTube. Post ko to sa YouTube.
Ano?
Post ko to sa YouTube.
Please, post
Post
me
ko
on
to
YouTube.
sa YouTube.
Ba, ano?
Ay, nako.
Subscribe mo ako sa YouTube?
Post ko sabi to sa YouTube. Post ko sa YouTube.
Boss ako sa YouTube. Si Madam, report na yun.
Bakit?
Kilala mo si Madam, yung nakita mo, Madam na nasa ano, report yun. Ako deleted kasi yung friend ko, binubulin.
Ako yung my father owns Roblox. Yung uncle ko kasi yung owns Roblox. Like, uncle, can you please ban my